In this video, I've got 5 outfits that are realistic, easy to style, and make an impact. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for another episode of what I wore this week. My name is Ashley Parke. This is Parke Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if you love that, make sure you subscribe and hit those notification bells so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, before we get into the outfits, let's talk about my robe. I'm wearing the Hues of Harmony robe, and so many of you have already purchased. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy that you have been loving them. Now, some of you have been asking about restocks in certain sizes, and as of now, the sizes that are available are the only sizes available. They will not be restocking. Once this drop is done, it is done. So make sure you guys check the link in the description box. And just for reference, I'm wearing a size medium. I have worn the size large, and I decided to go ahead and go with the medium. I've been wearing the medium for a while now. The robes are generously cut, so even in the medium, I still feel like I have room and I'm comfortable. There's also a size guide on the website that you can reference. They're generously cut. So I find that even if you feel like your size is sold out, chances are you can actually fit one size smaller. I'm in the size medium right now. I have worn the large. It's very comfortable, very roomy. I decided to go with the medium, and as you can see, it's not very tight or snug. It still gives me room, and I'm very, very comfortable. So check the description box for a link to shop the Hues of Harmony. And also a hair update. So I actually recently reinstalled this hair. This is a custom unit made by Aisha Seiko here in Atlanta, Georgia. If you guys are in the Atlanta area, then you should book with her. I'm wearing Ebook bundles in Indian Natural Curly, and I have 3 bundles in right now. And I actually just recently went to Aisha to have this reinstalled. She took it down, washed my hair, gave me a steam treatment, and then redid the braids underneath, and then reinstalled the actual unit. And this is it. And every night I just have been doing plaits, like large plaits, and then doing perm rods on the ends. I only recently just started doing the perm rods, and I really like the way it comes out because it gives the bottom a little bit more definition, so I don't have to like re-wet my hair every single night. And you really don't have to, and that's what I was doing before. I wasn't even re-wetting my hair every single night. I was just doing the plaits and going to bed, and I wasn't even putting anything on the end. So it really just depends on the look you're going for, because you don't have to really put anything in this hair and it will look gorgeous. But if you want to do a certain curl, or if you want to just have some fun with it, then you got to play around with the kind of, maybe like the kind of things you use on the hair. I did a little bit of mousse on it, and then I put braided it and put the perm rods on the end. But before, I wasn't doing anything. I was literally putting a little bit of water and braiding it and leaving it, So it just really depends on what you want to do. But I am loving it. And I will have the specs and everything, a link to shop the Ebook here in the description box. And I'll also have Aisha's Instagram in the description box, so you guys can book with her if you want to as well. Let's talk about this first look. This dress is from Walmart, and I was very impressed by the quality of this dress. So comfortable, and it looks very high-end and expensive, and I think it's because of the drama that it gives. It is a maxi, and they did not skimp on the fabric. And a lot of times with affordable brands, they skimp out on the fabric, so you don't get the drama, you don't get the movement, all that. And this was done really, really well. I love the top half is like a spandex, stretchy, fitted material, and it has the grip on the inside so it doesn't slide down. The bottom is 100% cotton, so it is breathable and very comfortable, and it holds its shape really well, but it's not stiff. It has pockets, gorgeous, gorgeous dress, and it also comes in white. I styled this dress with silver accessories. On my feet, I'm wearing my metallic Fendi sandals. I threw on this silver metallic bag from Marc Jacobs and some silver hoops that I got a long time ago from TJ Maxx. And then my necklace is from Zara. I love this look, so comfortable, effortless, chic, easy. Like I'm telling you guys, this is something you can wear on an everyday basis, throw it on with rubber flip-flops and wear it to maybe like a beach or a pool day, or you can dress it up here like I'm showing you with higher end accessories, or just accessories that give it a little bit more elevation, and you can get a lot of different looks with just this basic black summer dress. It's so easy and so comfortable. Here's the next look. I love this. The vest that I'm wearing is from The Gap. I love the tailoring on this vest, so comfortable, really, really good, and it's a long line vest. I threw it on with my Everlane jeans. These are their cheeky cut jeans. They're so comfortable, so good. I love the cream color of these. I want them to bring them back and just do them in maybe like medium wash, a dark wash. I need to pick up more of these. They're so, so, so good. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my Gucci platform sandals. These are a pair of sandals I've had for some time now, and I know a lot of you did get these as well. And these are absolutely a sandal I'm going to reach for next summer and the summer after that. It's a denim platform sandal. I don't think I'll ever get tired of it, and whenever I do, it's going to come back around again. So I think these were a great investment when I did get them, and if you're interested in these, I think you'll still get a lot of wear out of them. They're very comfortable. They are heavy, I will say. They are heavy, but they're so cute. And I don't wear them for like long walks. So if you're not gonna be walking for a long time in these, they're great to have. This is a great outfit to do a color pop with because I'm keeping it very neutral with the denim and the cream. So I just went ahead and threw on a red bag. And for my sunglasses, I threw on my Bottega Sardine Aviator shades. I love these. They're just my go-to sunglass. Right now, they're gold and they go with everything. Here's the next look. I love this because I love the proportions here. It's an all linen outfit and both pieces are actually from Banana Republic that I got at different times. The top is a strapless peplum style top with this gorgeous green leaf print. And I also have it in black, like a solid black. It's a really, really great top. And then on the bottom, I'm wearing these linen trousers from Banana as well. And they're so flowy and comfortable. And I also have these in black. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my gold Fendi sandals, and my bag is my Loewe puzzle, my gold sunglasses, and it's just an easy, comfortable look that's high impact. Next up, this is a really great weekender look for those super hot summer days. This tank is like a terry cloth kind of blend from Kohl's. I shared this a while back and a few other pieces from Kohl's. If you guys want to check out that video, check the description and it'll be in the cards up above me. So check out that video if you want to find some affordable pieces that are just easy to style and look really great for a lot of different occasions you might have this summer. On the bottom, I'm wearing a pair of drawstring jeans from the Gap. These are from the men's section. I've just been having really great luck with the men's jeans from the Gap. These have a drawstring. They're really easy to style. And they're more like a carpenter style, but they have like a moto kind of stitching on them. Really great, really comfortable, super cute. And then on my feet, I threw on a pair of platform sandals from Sam Edelman. I've had these for years, so I'll link to something similar for you guys. But I love a snake print. I just love it. It's such an interesting neutral and it never gets old. It really does elevate a look and it really takes it to a level of sophistication that seems that you didn't have to really put any effort, but it looks high impact. Like I really, really love a snake print. And so I threw on my red bag for a more of a color pop. I'm doing a little bit of color black in here with the yellow shirt and the red bag. And then I like the interesting neutral of the snake print. It just added a little something that I feel is unexpected for such like a casual, easy outfit. And here's the last look that I have for you. It's an all black look. The top that I'm wearing is one of my favorite body contour tops from Express. These are ribbed and the crop is really nice on these, so comfortable. And I can wear a regular bra and not have to worry about the straps showing. On the bottom, I'm wearing this crinkled skirt from J.Crew. Such an interesting basic black skirt, so comfortable. It really stretches. It's kind of like an accordion and it's so comfortable. The fabric is really, really lightweight. On my shoulders, I have on this crop cardigan from Banana Republic. This is a cotton silk blend, so it's really the perfect thing to wear throughout the whole summer because you can throw it in your bag and pull it out whenever you're somewhere where it's a little chilly and the AC is really high. On my feet, I'm wearing my Hermes sandals. They're really just a great white sandal. You can do a black sandal here if you wanted to, maybe something like a thong style that's a little bit more minimal. That would be really great as well. But I have been loving black dresses and black outfits with my white sandals. I really like the way that pairing looks together. And then for my bag, I just went with this basket bag from J.Crew with the black leather straps. And this is an easy go-to outfit. You can wear it on an everyday basis. You can run errands in this. You can have cute little lunches. And I really like that this skirt, especially, you can dress up for an evening, switch out all the pieces around it, and then you have another look. And that's it, you guys. Those are all the looks I have for you this week. Let me know which look is your favorite, which outfits you're going to be recreating. If you haven't subscribed and you made it this far, make sure you do subscribe. I would love to have you. If you want to catch me on any of my other socials, I'll have that in the description box as well. You guys can shop the closet sale as well. If you see any pieces on my channel that are no longer available and you have been wanting them, there might be a chance that they are available on the closet sale. And so check the link in the description box so you can shop the closet sale. Everything is pre-worn, gently worn. Some things are new with tags and actually have never been worn, but you never know what you're gonna find. And I'm always updating because I'm always moving things out of my closet to make room for new things. So check the description for all the information you're gonna need. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.